Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a really different cover file design. Beautiful Barbie doll on front page with butterfly dress. Hope you will like it. So let's get started. Here I am using different color paper. So watch carefully. First I will make doll's face. For that I will draw on a black chart paper and then I will cut it. And for the lower dress, I will cut butterfly shape in color paper, light sky and pink. For butterfly, I will cut square shape paper in size 1.5 shimmy. Then I will fold it and then I will cut. Then for upper body dress, I will cut a peachy pink color paper. And after cutting all of this, I will stick all together using Fevicol. Watch carefully how I am making this cute butterfly dress. After all done, I will add little decoration to make it look like fairy tale. Now I will make one big butterfly using glittery paper. it's done. Tell me how is it in the comment section, and if you like the video then do like, share and comment. And to see more such amazing ideas, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and thank you for watching.